Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable dark mode in your Windows 11. If you want to enable dark mode in your Windows 11, then you need to follow the following steps. First, let's head out to our settings. Now, once you are inside the settings, you need to click on the Personalization tab. In the Personalization tab, you can see the Colors option. Simply click on the Colors option. From here, you can see the Choose Your Mode option. It changes the color that appears in Windows and your apps. So it will automatically affect the applications related to your Windows settings. Now here you can see that currently it is set to light. Then click on the drop down arrow and from here you can simply choose the dark button. And now once you have selected the dark option, you can see that your Windows is now in dark mode. It includes all the Windows settings like the taskbars or any applications that support this feature. So now you have learned how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.